back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo Kemp. I live with my husband and our 2 children in southern Indiana, and I'm so excited to have you here. I realized I didn't do a proper intro video for this video today, so I apologize for that. If you enjoy this video, be sure and hit the subscribe button so you get notified of any future videos I put up. This mirror that I'm painting here was just a white mirror that was in our house when we moved in, and I decided, you know what, it would look good on the mantle and I want to paint it gold. So I spray painted it gold, and I'm planning to paint the mantle hopefully soon, and then it will look even better. What is it? Can you look right there? Hey y'all, so for this part of the video is sponsored by Sue Hooley, the writer of the Daily Planner. This is a planner that I've been using ever since I got married, and my mom has actually been using these as well for a long time. It's a planner that we really love. Obviously, this is the one, is the 2023 planner, and I just thought I would show y'all how it looks on the inside and all the different parts and features that I love about it. And bonus points, it is so pretty, and there are so many features that are helpful every single day. So here we have the monthly calendars, and then it switches to the weekly calendars. So at the top of the page there's a task list that you can fill in, and then there's a section for each day, and I put my menus in there and my just little things that I really want to get done, lists and so forth. So there will be a link in the description box below that you guys can click on to get your 2023 planners today. They make great gifts, great holiday gifts, and just gifts in general. This is an affiliate link, so I will receive a small commission through every purchase at no extra cost to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your question in the question box down below in the comment section, and I will try and get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments what your favorite season is. I love fall and I love decorating for fall. I'm a neutral fall person, so decorating for fall for me is just getting like the neutral fall colors out. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and be sure and come back next week for my next video. Bye.